Definitely made it. Line's pretty thick. Gonna do a get out. Heard there's some SDs at behind by. I'm gonna try to get those raspberries today too. Stay tuned.
Thank you.
You good? These are huge. Perfect.
With that jacket right
Yeah, Will.
Damn it, I want those now.
I'm telling you.
I should have pulled Carhartt.
Damn. Man.
Yeah, sorry about that, bro.
It's good. Yeah, I do.
Don't talk me into it.
Secured the bag of the Toms. I wasn't able to secure the bag for the Toms. I wasn't able to get the Valentine's. I feel all bad for that. Something told me it was gonna be rough trying to cop those, but it's cool. It is what it is. Tom Sachs is cool. Now I got a few more change in my pocket. We got the 35th, or Buy and Buys got the drop. Their little thing for the blueberries, but first pair of Toms, I can't complain. I like the colorway. Definitely gonna put them on show here soon. But damn, man, that's crazy. I wasn't able to cop the Valentine's when I was down here on time. So I wasn't just gonna get a 10 and try to trade it. I feel like when I do that, it's hard to trade up a size. It's probably easier to trade down a size, but I didn't want to go through the headache and having to deal with all that BS. But these times will do justice. I'll do an unboxing for you guys later. You guys see what the box look like. It's already filthy. But yeah, man, today was crazy, man. And they didn't have no half sizes. Next time I just get down here a little earlier. That was on me. I had to do little things for work and got caught up doing that and didn't come outside. There was only 3 people in the front when I pulled up here, and those 3 people got what they wanted. I just wasn't able to get my forces, or the dunks, but it's cool. 1 out of 2 pair, can't complain. So I'm blessed. Like I said, you win some, you lose some, but you live to cop another day. I know these ain't sitting nowhere. I've been up early enough to enter raffles, but I'm gonna start realizing that this can be a possibility if I don't get here early enough. So I really gotta stress the fact when there's a drop to get here early. I'm gonna do that for the crafts. They drop Saturday, so I'll probably be out here Friday night, Friday morning, like 6 o'clock, get in line and just wait for it then. But for now on, I'm not playing with it no more. I'm gonna make it, put in the footwork and be diligent when these drops come. Dodge the bullet. Money in my wallet's a little thicker now. I just had to second guess it when he rang me up and he was giving me the price. Had to think to myself, is it worth getting a size 10 and I can't even put my foot in it? Or should I just take the L and go on to the next? And I made the decision at the last minute. He rung me up and I was like, I'll take the L, it's cool. I don't need a 10. There's no way I can finesse that or try to ask somebody to trade. That's just too much of a hassle. So it's cool, man. I'm not upset about it. It's still gonna be all right. There's some other things I believe dropping other than the 4s. I'll probably go ahead and save this little bit of cash and put it into getting the next pair of dunks that drop, these blueberries, and also the 85s that drop on Wednesday next week. So we got the 85 high pandas, so I can use this for that. And I was just pumped to get a pair of Sachs, to be honest. A lot of people passed up on them. They don't like them. I never had a pair. I want to do a review and really just have them on feet. But other than that, we had a good day. The line was packed. It grew fast, and they do let people slide in front and in the spot. So I noticed that is how the game goes, but we'll see. Skylar had a size 12. I was thinking about trading him that, but he held on to him. He ain't trying trying to trade down. It's always good to trade up. So get bigger sizes is always good. They go for more. But thank you guys for tuning in for the pickup. It wasn't what I expected to get both pair, but I will have one pair unboxing for you guys later. And I'll catch you guys. I'm out. Welcome back to another episode of Sneaker Mind, the pickup. I'm gonna give you a quick unboxing of this Tom Sachs. I didn't hit for the Valentine's Day. I gave you the video just earlier about that. Still feeling down bad, but it's cool. I did end up copping these in a size 13 women, so 11 and a half men. This box alone is fire. I really enjoy these boxes. It says Nike Craft everywhere. General purpose shoes. They thought of it, real deal. They really took some time with this. The box alone is unique. Got the information up there. Nike Craft shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champions athletes throughout the world. The design and construction of Nike Craft products support all of the activities of your life and tell your story. Nike Craft shuns invention for its own sake, but embraces it as a necessity. Top quality product fulfilled their intended purpose while remaining as hard-wearing as possible. Before recycling, there is reuse. Before reuse, there is durability. Nice quote, nice information. Paper's regular. They got some more details inside the box. I'll take some pictures of that and show you guys here later. But let's take a look at it real quick. Perfect brown. It's like 3-tone brown. Got a light brown, got a suede, canvas, and like a vinyl brown, black bottom. It's a real nice shoe. It's like netted material, canvas. The tabs don't even bother me. I really don't mind these tabs. These are kind of dope. I thought they were gonna be stiffer, but you can see how like loose these tabs are. Not a problem at all. My lace thing, they put a lot of tissue in these. That's 2 tissues. Nike Craft on the inside. Don't know if you can see that. But Nike Craft on the inside of the sole. Just a nice looking shoe. See if you can see it this way. It's really nice. Can't wait to put it on feet. I'll be bringing you a video of these here soon. Check out this other pair. Definitely gonna have to spray them because it's been raining out here lately and it's a suede, so I'm gonna spray them down. I already got a fit for these already to wear, so that's pretty much, that's gonna be cool. I get to show you guys that. But a nice shoe, it really is. The tabs, I don't mind. I like the orange accent. The smells good and fresh. Materials look so durable and strong, so can't wait to bring these in. They're called tobacco colorway. They're fire. But shout out to Bay Seattle with the Dubs. They didn't have no. They had a 10 for the. I think I told you guys a little bit about it. But they did have a 10 in the dunks, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't wait for the resale or the trade, so I just passed on them. They'll come around. Something else will come around. But that was that, man. That was the Tom Sachs first pair. I think I'm done. I don't think I need any other pair. And I'll bring you
breaking news. I ain't go to school for none of this. What you seeing me do is a product of the majesty of trial and the tortures of error. Now, I'm good as a motherfucker at it though, right?